Good morning, everybody. It's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing really well. We have a beautiful day today. Yesterday, I went out and picked up some walnut shells and such, and I put them to soak with some boiling water, and I'm going to give walnut dyeing a try for paper today. So I'll let you know how that turns out. But today, excuse me, I have a album / journal that I made, and I use most of the rest of my Klimt Stamperia paper to finish this one up. It is 7 by 9, has a 2.5 inch spine. It's fabric covered, and then I sprayed flickering candle mica stain on the cover, give it a little bit extra. Have these corner protectors here. These were from my friend Lisa. She sent them through me. And this Klimt is done with the Tim Holtz Varsity letter die set. Inside the papers was a page that was all squares of the different pages inside. So I cut them up and glued them to a piece of card and then sewed them on there, so you get just kind of an idea of what's to come inside. Let's see, this design was a tutorial from Lunar Cat Designs on YouTube. So check her out. She does awesome albums, and she has quite a few tutorials also. So it's check her out for sure. I'll put her link down below. On this, I did a really small zigzag with variegated thread, and I really like how those turned out. So I got quite a few things in here with this little stitching around the edges. So let's take a look inside. And here's Edith, one of his favorite people to paint. And over here we have I got a little piece of plastic on there. There we go. I flip up here and make sure you can see it. Flip up and flip down. And then these little side pockets open. They're held with a magnet. I've got one of the circles with some more of those little squares tucked inside. And then this one flips this way. And here we have this beautiful gal inside. So, and I've got some more, excuse me, I got a frog. Another circle with some more of these little squares tucked in there. So that goes like that and that. I put tassels on my little tabs that stuck out. Everything in here is from the Stamperia paper, and this I backed with some gold metallic cardstock. Well, 3 of the pages have pockets on the side. So I added these larger cards in there. Over on this side, we have, of course, the kiss. And I've got little bits of bling here and there. Back that onto gold card as well. And then we've got an image from the paper. And that flips up. And then over here we have another one. I got a belly band here. I've got one of the circles. I've got another cutout. And the critic of an artist must be oneself. And these are backed onto the blue cardstock. This is a really pretty scene. I love this. And I just put some little gems here and there on this page. Got a tab on here that flips over. Got 2 circles. I took one of the circles and cut it kind of in half. And then there were smaller circles in there as well. So those I tucked into that pocket. And then here's the big picture. I got some bling on there as well. So that flaps over there. That flaps there, and that snaps there. On this side, I've got a belly band, and I put that on gold card. And this is another one of the cards from the collection. This actually is a little piece of Tim Holtz abandoned paper there. Got bling on the corners. And where you at? Oh, did I miss one? Oh, I missed one. I got another one somewhere. So there we go. But there is the big pocket there. You can put whatever you'd like in there. Here is two corner pockets together in the middle. This one is pieced from different sizes of strips I had up here. And then we've got this side here. And again, this little corner pocket. These are one of the embellishments that was in the kit. And then this is a little, well, not that way, silly, a little flip out thing. Got a little pocket here, got a pocket over here. This one flips down, got a little belly band here, and there are pockets on each side that you can add what you'd like. And there's also a pocket here. So there's that. Over on this side, I cut from that circle, I cut out here, I had this. So I put gems around the outside of that. I thought that looked pretty. Here's another one of the cards. And these, you can see these have this variegated stitching. I just love that. It turned out so well. This pocket has a card. We're going to flip over to this side. Here she is again. This is a Tim Holtz baseboard frame, and I put gold leaf on it. I painted it black, put gold leaf on it, put this little metal embellishment on there as well. And I've got a tab with a tassel, and down here I've got like a looking glass looking at that little bird. And open it up, and here's some more. Here's some more of that tree scene. I put some little gold dots up on the top. And over here, we just got a pocket, and I've got these journaling cards inside. Over on this side, got another tab with a tassel. Those are really dark blue. They might look black on the camera, but this was part of a page I cut out and put on the top there. Up here, just got one of the squares from the collection backed onto gold. I have a pocket on the front here, and I've got a lady in there. This one flips down too. This has a little corner tuck. Got a lady in there. Got inspiration, and hopefully you can see this little lady down here. And then here's my card. I knew I put one in all the pockets. And then this is the back, and over here I've just got a pocket with one of the pieces from the collection. This was on a whole page, but I cut her out and backed her onto some red card. And these are just little snippets from the paper. This is a little notebook I did. I've got the Tree of Life on there. It just shuts with a little dog clip. It says limited edition, and this is actually from one of my posters that I have. The art museum, I got a package of posters, and I have been hoarding and hoarding, so I cut a piece off of it. Pained me to do so, but I did, and made this little notebook. And then these are pages from the collection, and then in here just got some papers for a little journal. And then I just clip this back up here, and it gets tucked in there, and there we go. So okay guys, this is my Klimt mini album journal. This will be for sale, listed on my coffee shop, and you can go take a look at it over there if you'd like. Thanks so much for stopping by. I will let you know how my walnut water stain goes. And yeah, thanks so much. Bye.